In fact, after multiple setbacks, including his arrest and subsequent remand, finally there is some relief for Delhi CM Arvind Kejriwal. The Delhi High Court has dismissed a plea seeking removal of Kejriwal as the chief minister on the grounds that he is behind the bars. Now, the court has observed that there is no law which prohibits a chief minister from running the government from a jail, and hence judicial interference in this particular matter is not possible. Now, the High Court further said that the President or the Lieutenant Governor are the right authority to act, and in case there is any sort of a governance failure, Arvind Kejriwal, in connection to him, this is of course something that the judge or in fact the governor will have to decide. In fact, let's also listen in to my colleague Bhavatosh, who's getting us more details on this.
That they are purely looking at this case as an excise scam in which money was laundered and proceeds of crime were used to in fact in a way channel money or fund Goa election campaign. And presently the AAP Goa president or the in charge of Goa campaign of election is being questioned, and apart from him few other AAP leaders are being questioned by the Enforcement Directorate. AAP Enforcement Directorate on its part also had told the court last week, they have said that they are in fact using section 70 of PMLA to say that Aam Aadmi Party is a political, while it is a political party, is also a beneficial company. If they can make a political party a beneficial company, then they can make it as a accused, and all the people associated with that party can be made an accused. If that happens, then probably for the first time a political party will be made an accused. So a lot will depend on today's hearing, and CBI sources have already made it very clear that once ED's custody will get over, they will seek the custody of Arvind Kejriwal. At a time when he was earlier, last April, when he was questioned, he was a witness in this case.